morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. We vlogging this weekend because we got no kids, you know. It's hard to vlog when I have them, you know what I'm saying? Single mom problems out there. I need, if you guys can let me know in the comments, I need to find a stand for this. I have a stand, but it's like, she's not cute. Like I have one, it's just, again, she's like super bulky and I kind of want one that's like easy to maneuver, you know, all the things. Where I could just place this and it's good, see me cooking, doing all the things. I'm gonna try to do with the other one, we'll see, but you guys can let me know, I appreciate it. So I'm just making my breakfast right now and then pretty much I'm gonna do a makeup reel, get myself ready. I tanned my face and my neck and of course I did my hands. Did a terrible job, but here we are. And then I'll just take you on my day. That's pretty much it. So let's go. I hate that I can't like use songs because girl's gonna get demonetized or they say remove this song. Oh my god, that happened to my birthday vlog. So dumb. I like everything was sped up, all the things are like no, and I was like, oh, I'm not even gonna fight it, I don't even care. I was like, you know what, take it out, it's gonna look stupid, but I don't care. All right, so breakfast is 1 piece sprouted wheat bread. Hold please. My coach had wanted Spring Hill sprouted bread, Max Flax. I couldn't, this was sold out. It was sold out everywhere and I couldn't find it. And then so I messaged him and I was like, can I eat this one? And he's like, yeah. So this one is thinner. This is I don't even know. I hate when they tape stuff. Sustainably baked. So this is Oro wheat. And this is in thin, 22 grains and seeds, thin slice. He said this one was okay. So I was like, all right. That's what I hate about this whole thing is sometimes you can't find it and you're like, well, you want to search high and low and you want to eat the right things, which is so annoying. So I'm going to eat this one today. I'm going to eat this one when I'm in a pinch. This is the one he recommended, right? It's a better one. 1 slice of bread, 2 eggs, and 0.25. I love this little guy, 0.25 of a cup. So I literally just put it to the line, pour it in, done of egg whites. Pretty much put it on my plate. Move that because it's hot now. And then either an orange or an apple. Love me a good apple. I already took my vitamins. I should have filmed that. I took 4 of these, 4 little guys. They're like really, really tiny. Really, really tiny. 2 of these multivitamins for women. And they look like that. And I love this brand, Aqua Omega. They are such a good brand. Fish oils. So I have this one has a high EPA and this one has the standard. I mix the both, so I do 2 of these and 2 of these. They're relatively like big capsules. Ah! See, I didn't want that to happen. See? They're cute, huh? So anyways. See? So yeah, these are honestly, as much as how big they are, they're really easy to swallow. And they just like, they just glide on through. I had, this is what I'm finishing up with my breakfast. Here's my apple. This is what I take in the morning. So I take 1 scoop of glutamine. This comes unflavored, but they ran out at Popeyes, so I had to get orange, which is fine. It gives them more flavor. And then you guys, this one, don't sleep on this one. This is the Ghost Greens in lime. Don't get it regular, get it in lime. Literally, this tastes like orange lemon water. It's the perfect. It actually makes you like excited to drink it because it's like very, it's not sweet, it's like sour, but it's like, I don't know, it's really good. So anyways, don't sleep on that. Okay, so I finished my makeup. I did this reel just on Instagram. Woo, good transition. Anyways, so I did that. So now I'm having my coffee. Coffee time. Just waiting for Starward to get here, take some photos, another reel coming soon, all the things. Oh yeah, I gotta put my jewelry on. That's what I was gonna do, drink my coffee, kind of chill out until he comes. And yeah, we got some amazing stuff coming. So content, Valentine's Day, yeah. Not great.
I just bought a $1,000 one. No justification. Bonjour, bonjour. It is me, Sarwar. I am here to shoot.
He cut his hair finally. What? The last time they saw you, you had long hair.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Okay, put you over there. Put this over there.
Okay. So we're gonna have a little BTS, okay?
Yeah, that's what I
Let
want.
me just set you guys up right here. There we go.
Can they see you though? They can't even see you.
You want them to see me?
I don't know. Doesn't
It
matter.
won't be in the shot anyways.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
It's recorded.
Okay.
What do I have to deal with?
Let's get to it. Okay. On the count of 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1 and a 2 and a 3. There you go.
Good?
And did you want the rose?
Check quickly. There's a bunch of flowers. Is there pink there or no? Right there?
No.
There's no pink, there's just white?
Like there's one that's tip.
Oh,
Like,
maybe that one?
One tip of it is.
Would it look nice?
Not really, to be honest. Like this.
Oh, yeah, no, she ugly. Put it back. There's no pink there, hey?
No, you don't have any pink. I know, right? I would have thought you would.
Would red look good?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, then that's not. You can stop recording.
So the lighting is crisp at this time. We're shooting approximately, what time is it? It's about 10:30 a.m. Off to the next scene.
I can buy myself flowers, yeah. Okay, anyways, so we finished shooting, did some TikToks, I took my lashes off, and now we're about to hit the gym. So let's go. I gotta get changed. So.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love, love, love.
Hey guys, it's Saturday. Finished at the gym, as you guys saw. Now I'm on my way. This is sitting so good, but that's okay. And now on my way to go with my friend Caitlin. I'm so excited. I love her so much. So we're on our way to the movies to go see Plane. Hopefully she'll let me vlog her. If not, then too bad. Okay, let's go get it. Oh hi. How are you? Are you okay to be vlogged?
Like, yes.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Oh, Sanaya.
I know, like looking, I was like, oh my gosh, she better be okay. I was like, girl.
And I love being
Protect
videotaped.
There you go. You can tell your boy problems.
Yeah. Oh.
We're just gonna show you where I live.
I was about to say, I was like, how did you get there so fast?
Well, I took like my time because I was like warming up the car. I was trying to connect my this thing to whatever.
Yeah.
And then this is like all wonky, but well, it'll be fine. But yeah, we're on our way to see Plane with Gerard Butler, and
Oh, it's gonna be so much fun.
it's gonna be so good. Well, we'll do a review after once they see it.
Yes. I have never seen the trailer, so I told myself
Oh,
now
okay.
I'm gonna stop because I told my mom and she's like, I saw the trailer, it's amazing, watch it. So I've started doing this where when I go see a movie, I don't want to see the trailer.
Oh, okay.
I just want to be shocked
Okay.
completely. So I've never seen the trailer, but I love Gerard Butler.
Good.
So I am pumped.
Are we in focus?
Oh God.
Okay. So, we just finished the movie. I ate my snack. and
I'm
my
never,
VCA.
never flying again. Like ever again. Woo!
Oh my gosh. It was good. It was
9
really
out of
good.
10.
Yeah, I agree. It was
I give it a 9.
It was like edge of my seat. There was a couple moments where I was like, oh! And of course, like,
Leslie had a full-on heart workout.
I did. I did. I did. My heart was working overtime.
Somebody had a really big burp at the end of it, which was really gross.
That was so rude.
That was disgusting,
So
man.
rude.
He walked out and he literally was like,
Get
F
over
this,
here.
bye.
Yeah, he literally was like, I could care less. Okay, now
Woo!
yeah. But anyways, recommend it. Now we're going home. And yeah, welcome to the channel. This is Caitlin. Go follow her. We'll leave her here. Leave her.
Hi.
Hi. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday reset. Sunday prep. Sunday whatever. It's Sunday morning and I weighed myself. She lost a pound. She's at the 170s, girls. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I feel different, I look different. I'm less bloated. I love how I'm feeling. I know, like, appreciate the water. It's just, I'm peeing so much. It's so annoying. But it is what it is. Just reminds me of when I was pregnant, peeing all the time. It's so annoying. But whatever, doesn't matter, who cares? So anyways, I just went to Walmart. As you can see here, just went to Walmart, grabbed some stuff. So I'm just reorganizing freezer. I have to reorganize it, so I just kind of wanted to bring you guys along, just something to post on here. But it's super disorganized, so don't mind me. Just gonna organize, and it's gonna be sped up. You know the drill.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back.
You guys, don't sleep on these. These are Paw Patrol ice creams in chocolate. There was none of the swirl ones, so these are the best ones. These are like when we do like movie nights with the kids, or who's we? Me. When I do movie nights with the kids, usually we do like ice cream while we watch a movie, because who doesn't like that while I'm eating my yogurt? So we leave that there. Bread is here. So much better. So much more organized. Anything else? So that's it. That's my meal plan. It's my meal plan right here. No, you cannot see it. Again, what works for me might not work for you, but that's why it's really good to seek a coach. I'm sure if you guys message Brett for any of your competition needs, he would be more than willing to. I'm hopefully trying to get him. I did send him a picture this morning and just say like, I lost some weight. He hasn't responded yet, but he's probably just super busy with check-ins, but checked in, all the things. Yeah, I made all my food. I'm gonna eat lunch right now. So I am going to be eating 215 grams of basmati rice. I don't know why I do this now. 150 grams of chicken, and then 100 grams of green beans. I drizzle that mustard. Did I show you guys? No, I didn't. I am not a mustard fan. I am not a mustard fan, but I'm a Cholula fan. So Cholula is in my life. Just the regular Cholula. This is chili garlic, chili lime. I also have, I have Tabasco here. I have Louisiana, Yucatan, habanero, Cajun sunshine. I got lots. In another vlog, Black Rose. This one's still fire, literally fire in your mouth, but it's fantastic. The point is I don't like mustard. I don't. My daughter loves mustard, so this is what she likes. I can't do this. Like, this has to be either on a hot dog or a burger, but I can't do it other than that. So I bought this one. So this bold and spicy. Don't sleep on this, you guys. This helps meal prep, contest prep, just meals in general. You drizzle that all over and it's fire.
Passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
So I don't know if I can show you this, but this is my scale. Love it. It's Star Frit. I don't know. I got this from Walmart like 2 years ago because I didn't know. I had a food scale, but the other one was just so complicated. Like ounces and grams. That's all we need. We don't need any of this other stuff, you know? So unit literally has on and off unit mode. That's all I need. It's the best, pretty good food scale. I like it. I would be very, very sad if it not dies, craps out on me, but it's battery, so it's good. But like if it just doesn't weigh my food properly. This is what I do. There we go. It's like, I feel like this runs out, but I need a bigger bottle. But anyways, just go like this. Wow, it's a lot. And then I take my hot sauce. I don't even care. I love this stuff. Lord Jesus, thank you for this food. Bless it to our bodies. Amen. And then we just mix all the rice and the chicken. The chicken is basically like when I drizzle it over, it's like just dipping. I just look at good stuff. I'm gonna have my water. 500. Drink 2 of those, already a liter. It's the best way to drink water. I know it's a waste of plastic bottles, I know. But it's the best because you drink one and you're like, okay. And then drink another one and you're like, already there. Like, it's such a good, because those big jugs are so intimidating, in my opinion. I feel like you look at that and you're like, oh, I gotta do it. Like, where this, you're like, you know what I mean? Like, anyways, it just plays with your mind. Okay, I just finished dinner. This is my guinea pig. Peanut! There he comes. Do you see him? Can you see him? I feel like you can't. There he is. Isn't he cute? The cutest. Look at him. So I have to clean his cage. So let's clean the cage together. Oh, that was easier. Oh, I got him. I got him. Look at him. He's beautiful. Look at, I love that he's got this side and then he's got that side. Isn't he cute? Okay, let's clean your cage, this guy. Oh, I love him. I just wish he like didn't poop everywhere. Can you hear it? That's when he knows he loves you. Okay, let's get you done. Spring mix, leafy greens. He loves these. There he goes. Just pull out the tray, as you can see. Pretty gross. And then we just dump it, and then we bring back the hay. But hopefully you don't run away. And then we bring this in. Go get the hay downstairs. If you can, this is what I buy. Well, my mom actually bought this. Fresh Life. So they're like those little, this is like for hamsters, but guinea pigs can use this too, as it indicates on there. I like it. I feel like it pretty much absorbs. There is another brand, which I'm more a fan of, but it's more expensive. So either you buy a big bag for what you can get for a little bag of the other like felt kind of bedding. I usually put on gloves beforehand, but I forgot. And then I realized, oh yeah, because I needed more gloves and then I had gloves. So again, this is a good thing. So, and then we just pretty much like pour it in. I hate touching it. Like, I'd rather not. Give a good layer. Oh, I can put it all up. That. And then we go this way. This is the kind of hay that we get him. It's this one. And that's good because it has these little guys in it. He loves these. It's like his fave, which he knows. He knows it's coming. he's like, give me more stuff. So then what I do is I just kind of, it's really stiff. It's really hard to pull. So I like take it out. And then I just kind of spread it around. And then I'll do like another handful. Because usually I give him a pretty big handful with dinner. Which is what I'll do tonight before soccer. And I'll put it back in his spot with this bucket. Got him. There you go, little guy. Alright, well, I got ready for soccer. Just came back from a game. We won. Whoop whoop. But I'm just gonna finish the vlog here. I need to go shower. It's late. I'm tired. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, do all the things, share with your friends. I love you guys. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.